The placement cell of CMS College plays a crucial role in identifying job opportunities for undergraduates and postgraduates passing out from college by keeping in touch with reputed firms and industrial establishments. The placement cell operates round the year to facilitate contacts between companies and graduates. Under the able leadership of our principal, Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, the Center for Career Guidance and Placement is headed by Dr. Vimal George Kurian. Mr. Sudeep Churian coordinates the efficient functioning of the Career Guidance and Placement Cell. He is the Director of Corporate Relations, Public Relations, and also coordinates our Alumni Association. Mr. Sudeep is a mentor, trainer, and consultant with 25 years of industrial experience and global business exposure. A plethora of programs are organized every year as part of our consistent efforts to guide our students towards brighter future. We also offer special coaching for UPSC, UGC NET and CAT exams for aspiring students. These are some of the companies with whom we associate. We place more than 250 students every year in companies across the globe. We are proud that 116 students of our college got placement confirmation during the last 2 months with a highest CTC offer of 12 lakhs per annum. Count on us in your journey towards success. Thank you.